Did you know you could be washing your face wrong? Yes, something so simple can be done incorrectly. So if you're second guessing yourself right now, stay tuned. A dermatologist that I follow mentioned that 80% of Americans are washing their face wrong. I can totally believe that, by either overwashing, underwashing, or not washing at all. So let's talk about why washing the face is so important. When you go out in the world, you are bombarded by environmental factors and also by what you put on your skin. So just think about it. You step outside your door, free radicals, dirt, grime, pollutants are attacking our skin. And again, what we put on our face, from our makeup to our skincare and sunscreen, very emollient and makeup, very emollient skincare, and makeup is basically long wearing, this 12 and 24 hours stuff. Here's the first step. Know your skin type. You're either oily, combination, dry, or normal. So let me break it down by skin type for the best cleanser that you would use for that. So if you're oily, it is what it is. You produce a lot of oil. You have excess oil. And some say it's a blessing and a curse. I'm oily and I do feel that way, but when I was younger, I had a hard time trying to deal with it. But now that I'm older, mature, I understand it and I accept it. So having oily skin, again, means you have an overproduction. Our oil glands are just giving us hell, basically. So the type of cleanser that you want for oily skin is a foam. You want something that's going to mop up that excess oil, and that's exactly what a foam cleanser does. So if you have combination skin, that means you could either have oily skin and dry skin, or oily skin and normal skin. So you need a cleanser that's going to address both of those. So you want something that is a cream to foam. So of course the cream is going to hydrate the dry or normal area, and the foam is going to work on the oily part of your skin. If you have dry skin, your skin is compromised. You are missing some key elements to your skin. So you need something that's going to replace what you're missing. So there's a little something called lipids that live in the layers of your skin. And to simply put it, again, lipids live in the layers of your skin. And you're kind of missing those. So that's why you have dry skin. So you want your cleanser to replace some of that, what you're missing. If you have normal skin, a simple, gentle cleanser will suffice. All right, now let's talk about the actual act itself. Before you even get to washing your face, the first thing you want to do is wash your hands. You want to make sure that you have no dirt or bacteria that you can cross-contaminate. You also want to make sure that whatever washcloth you use is dedicated for your face. You don't use a washcloth that you use on your body. Again, cross-contamination. I'll provide in the description box a link to some towels that I use that I get from Amazon. It's basically a towel for every day. All right, so washing with the right temperature. This is a thing that I love to talk about when I'm at work and I'm working with a guest. One of the things that I hear all the time is a lot of people wash their face while they're taking a shower. The temperature has to be right to wash your face, and typically when we take a shower, the water temperature is a little hot. You don't want to wash your face in hot water. You don't want to wash it in cold water. You really won't get it clean. So you want to kind of find an even medium between cold and hot, of course, so lukewarm is preferable. Okay, let's talk about when you actually wash your face. I've noticed this from my kids sometimes. You know, when they get in there and they wash their face, they want to hit it and quit it. They get in there and rub a dub dub and they're done. Well, you're not really cleaning anything. You're kind of wasting your cleanser. It is recommended to clean your face at least 45 to 60 seconds. That way you are getting off everything that is on your face from the day. And you're also giving your cleanser time to work. Also too, don't forget your hairline. When you think about the products that you put in your hair, they will live around your edges. So if you're not cleaning your edges, you're leaving product on your face that was in your hair. So don't forget your edges as well. And if you are wearing your skincare correctly, you are bringing it down on the neck. So when you wash your face, wash your neck as well. Now when you're done washing, you don't want to rub your face. You want to gently pat. And also, you don't want to completely dry your skin. Your skin needs to be damp, a little damp, because you want it to be accepting of your next step, which will possibly be your actives and moisturizer at night, and during the day, your actives and moisturizer and sunscreen. Okay, so I would be remiss if I didn't talk about double cleansing. So why do we double cleanse? If I don't wear makeup, why do I need to clean my face twice? Well, here is why it's recommended, even if you don't wear makeup. So say you get up in the morning, you do your normal routine, you put your skincare on, sunscreen, I hope. All right, you go outside, you're bombarded by free radicals, pollution, dirt, grime, you get home, all of that is on your face. So all the rave right now are cleansing oils and cleansing balms. So these are exactly what there are. They're oils. And so they're made to break down all of that you have on your face, whether it's makeup or just skincare. Now, because you've cleansed your face, because you've pre-cleansed your face with an oil, you got to get that off. You don't want that oil to be on your skin, because whatever you do next won't be able to penetrate because you still got that oil on your face. So that's why you cleanse a second time, to get off the oil that you just used to break down everything else. And typically your second cleanser could be whatever cleanser that is good for your skin type. And also, if you are acne prone, your cleanser may have some type of salicylic acid in it. So that second cleanser is going to get rid of all of the oil that was used from either your cleansing balm or your cleansing oil. And that's why we double cleanse. And then after that, of course, you want to follow up with your actives, whether or not you do that, and then your moisturizer. So I hope this was definitely edutaining for you. If I made you think twice about anything in this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is Ms. Dorothea, and I'll see you in the next video.